Hello friends, together, let's draw and color a cute butterfly. Let's get started. Cute butterfly loves to flutter around flowers. Can you pretend to flutter like a butterfly? Cute butterfly is gentle and graceful.
Now I know my ABCs. Next time won't you sing?
How do you show gentleness to others?
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y,
Cute butterfly spreads joy wherever she goes.
ABCs. Next time won't you sing with me?
What makes you feel happy like a butterfly? Cute butterfly sips sweet nectar from flowers. What's your favorite sweet treat to eat? We're ready to add colors to this butterfly. First up, we have color black. Then, color pink. Next, color red. We have color yellow. Then, color orange. Next is color purple. And color green. Lastly is color blue. Lovely! This cute butterfly is bright and colorful. I hope you have fun today. Thanks for watching.